And we're back to learn CapCut in a year. Let me show you how you can scale videos. So we're getting back to the problem of our last tutorial. We have a vertical and horizontal shot. The horizontal is 16 by 9. So if we edit here, our project will be set to the original format, which is 16 by 9. If we now add our vertical clip, we have these black bars, and if I put it here, you can see the other video 16 by 9 will be shown on the left and right. We, for example, cut both to 5 seconds. So I use the split function here, and then I place them after one another. So how can we get rid of these black bars? We cannot just change the format for the second one, because the format is set for the project. So the entire video project has now a 16 by 9, which was the origin of the horizontal clip, and therefore you cannot flip it midway through a video and turn it into a 9 by 16. But what we can do is to scale videos up, and that simply means to make them bigger or smaller. To be able to do that, you have to activate one of these clips in your timeline. If you have nothing selected, on the right hand side you can see the menu changes. If that's the case, left click on your clip, and then you should see Video Basic, and here is a scale option. And by scaling this up, you can see how it gets bigger, and the black bars, they disappear at some point, because the video is now big enough to cover that. And you can also left click drag here to change the position, but you can also see the limits of this method, because now the penguin is kind of like ducking, so we don't see the head anymore. And that's an issue when it comes to scaling. We can't really get around that. It depends on the clips that you use. And then I do it the other way around. So I add my vertical clip first, and this original format is actually 9 by 16. So if I change that here under ratio to 9 by 16, nothing is changing. And now I add the horizontal clip. We would have our black bars top and bottom. I'm going to cut it again at 5 seconds using the split tool. I do that for both clips, delete the excess parts. Now I stack them on the same video channel. If I roll the clip, here's the penguin. And then is our boat with the black bars on top and bottom. And again, make sure it's selected in the timeline, go to Video Basic, use the scale, and at around 300, 320, we've got the black bars covered. I reposition it, let me play it. And in this case, you can see this would be actually a good method to cover these bars, because there's not much movement in the boat, and therefore it stays in the frame all the time, despite the fact that we've scaled it up. There are certainly other usages for the scaling, but this is one of the use cases where you need it. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.